to leave this town, and the people in the streets that I'll never get to meet if these tracks don't bend somehow. And I got no time that I got to get to where I don't need to be. So I need this here old train to break down. Oh, please just let me please break down. I need this here old train to break down. Let me please break down.
When the car broke down, we just kept walking along. When the car broke down, we just kept walking along.
There's sunlight on your bed, and every time you're driving home, way outside the safety zone, wherever you will ever be, you're never getting rid of me.
Are you trying to get rid of me, baby? Are you trying to get rid of me, baby? Don't you want my love? Are you trying to get rid of me, baby?
This is critical. Here we go. Damn, I'm sick and tired of how we keep on lying. Damn, I'm sick and tired of feeling like I'm dying. So no more complaining. Either put up with it or let it go. Either put up with it or let it go.
It took a minute, but I finally found the one. All my homies tried to tell me that it couldn't be done, but you put up with me. You put up with me. I know that I'm a lot of work, and I didn't do my share of dirt. You put up with me. Girl, I love you 'cause